Hi guys, welcome to CodeBode. So in the last video, we finished with loops in Java. Now another concept that is to be considered while learning loop is break and continue statements. In this video, we are going to study about break statements. We have already seen break once in switch. So if you haven't watched that video, please check the link in the description box below. So we are familiar with the break statements. Now in this video, let's see break statements in detail and how to use it with loops in Java. So this is our Eclipse IDE with the example of switch statement where we last used the break statement. So you know break is used to come out of switch statement if a particular case is successful. For example, if month is 1, it will go inside case 1, print January, and break statement here will make sure other cases are not executed because they are not necessary, and it will straight away come out of switch statement. So this was the use of break. Now similarly, break is used to exit the for loop. So let's see how. So break is to exit the loop. So let's take an example where we want to print 10 numbers, and if you want to exit the loop at say let's I equal to 7, then how to do that? So suppose let's write a simple loop first for int I equal to 0 to I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus. We are going to print numbers from 1 to 10. So sys out I plus 1. So this is going to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So if I run this program, 1 2, so since I have equal to 10, it has printed 11. So I less than 10, if we do, it has printed the numbers from 1 to 10. So now what if I want to break the loop? So I don't want the further numbers to be executed 8 9 10 if I find the number 7, because it was all I needed in my logic. So in that case, what I can do is, let's say if I equal to 7, I want to exit the loop. So I'll simply write break. In this way, the compiler will come out of the loop if it has found the value of I equal to 7. So let's debug this and check. So it is simply going to print up to I here is 0. So it will print up to I equal to 7. So let's see. Let's just step over till I equal to 7. And you know, one by one the values are printing. So now here the value of I has come to 7 after incrementing the loop. Now it will go inside the if statement, and now break is going to execute. So break will make sure the compiler or the debugger comes out of the loop, and this statement system.out.println I plus 1 is not going to be executed. So if we press F6, it has come out of the loop. So this is the simple use of break statement, and you can use break in many logics. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see how to use break. Also in nested loops, we use break a lot. And if you have a loop inside loop, then how to exit a particular loop, we are going to see in the upcoming videos when we actually study the concept of nested loops and how they work. So for that, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. We'll also see how continue works in Java. So if you like this video and want more such videos, please like and share this video. Thank you.